Notion has become one of the most popular productivity tools, but most people get this wrong. They assume all plans are the same. The surprising truth is that Notion's pricing plans are tailored for different needs, from individual users to large teams, and understanding these differences can save you money and headaches. First, there's the free plan. It's ideal for personal use. You get unlimited pages and blocks, and you can share with up to 10 guests. For someone managing personal projects, schoolwork, or small collaborative efforts, this is more than enough. Next is the Personal Pro plan, which costs around $5 per month if billed annually. This plan removes the guest limit, gives unlimited file uploads, and unlocks advanced features like version history. If you are a freelancer or heavy Notion user, this plan is a great upgrade from the free version. The team plan costs about $10 per member per month and is designed for small businesses. It includes collaboration tools like admin tools, unlimited team members, and sharing permissions, which make managing multiple projects across a team much easier. Finally, the Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes advanced security, analytics, and onboarding support. This is aimed at larger organizations that require robust compliance and management features. A few tips: if you are not sure which plan you need, start with the free plan. Most people upgrade to Personal Pro when they start collaborating frequently or handling large files. Also, keep in mind that Notion allows yearly billing discounts, so paying annually can save you up to 16%. In conclusion, Notion has a plan for everyone, but understanding the differences between free, Personal Pro, Team, and Enterprise is key to avoiding overpaying or missing important features. Choose the plan that fits your workflow, not just the most popular one. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe for more productivity tool guides and honest comparisons.